Now, for news you can use. In this edition, we're going to focus on actions being taken by VA and other federal government agencies to help prevent an outbreak of the flu. During the coming months, the Veterans Health Administration, VHA, is prepared to vaccinate more than 3 million veterans and staff against seasonal flu. It's also ready to administer another vaccine for novel H1N1 flu, more commonly called swine flu. Let's hear from VA's flu expert, Victoria Davey, VA's Deputy Chief Officer of Public Health and Environmental Hazards. Dr. Davey, tell us who's most at risk for that novel H1N1 flu?
Well, this H1N1 pandemic has been different from seasonal flu. Most cases are occurring in the 0 to 24-year-old populations, with most hospitalizations in the 0 to 4-year-olds, while older populations, those over 65, have been only about 1% of the confirmed cases to date. There was a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine that found that people born before 1950 may have some pre-existing immunity to this particular virus.
Well, speaking of that, then, who should consider a vaccination?
Everyone should consider vaccination with the novel H1N1 vaccine. Everyone who's not allergic to eggs, which is how the vaccine is made.
Will some people be receiving the vaccination ahead of others, and how does that decided?
It's been decided by an advisory committee to the Department of Health and Human Services and CDC. They're recommending that the first doses of vaccine go to pregnant women, healthcare workers, and emergency service providers who have direct patient contact or contact with infectious materials. Children 0 to 4 years old, children and adolescents and young adults who are 5 years to 24-year-olds who also have medical conditions that put them at risk for flu, like asthmatics.
Well, then the next obvious question is, when and where will the vaccine be available?
We're anticipating that the vaccine will become available in mid-October, with the first doses going to these targeted groups first, and then followed immediately by the rest of the population.
If you'd like more information about how to protect you and your family this flu season, go to www.publichealth.va.gov.